Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes to show how I created me, AI Clarence, a talking avatar that's the voice and face of my faceless YouTube channel. Get ready to learn about 5 best AI tools for content creation that make this process a breeze. Hi Blueprint Builders! If you've ever wanted to create a virtual persona for your brand or channel without showing your face, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use 5 powerful AI tools: ChatGPT, Ideogram, Verbo, Capcut, and Canva to create an avatar that not only looks professional, but also talks like a pro. Let's jump right in.
Part 1. Why create a talking avatar? Faceless YouTube channels are all the rage, and for good reason. They allow you to 1. Protect your privacy. 2. Stand out in a crowded space. 3. Create a consistent and memorable brand identity. Why you need an avatar for me? Creating AI Clarence was all about combining personality with efficiency. I wanted a smart, engaging host who could speak to you directly while I stayed behind the scenes. And trust me, it's easier than you think. Part 2. The best 5 AI tools you'll need. Here's your toolkit for avatar magic. 1. ChatGPT, for generating scripts and fine-tuning dialogue. 2. Ideogram, to design a stunning and unique avatar. 3. Verbo, for animating the avatar and syncing voice to motion. 4. Capcut, to edit and polish the final video. 5. Canva, for creating the thumbnail and extra visual flair. Let's break it down step by step, starting with creating the script. Step 1. Crafting the script with ChatGPT. Every great video starts with a script. Here's where ChatGPT comes in. I typed in a simple prompt: create a friendly, engaging script for a virtual host, explaining how to create a talking avatar. Within seconds, ChatGPT delivered a script that was 80% ready to use. I tweaked it to match AI Clarence's style: smart, approachable, and always upbeat. This is key. Your avatar's tone should match your brand's personality. Step 2. Designing the avatar with Ideogram. Next up, we design the avatar. Ideogram is a fantastic AI tool for creating realistic avatars. Although there are other ones, but I prefer Ideogram. You can customize everything from facial features to hairstyles and clothing. I wanted AI Clarence to look modern and relatable. So I went with a sleek hairstyle, vibrant colors, and a warm, confident smile. Once the design was done, I exported it as a high-quality image. And just like that, AI Clarence had a face.
Meet the visual face of AI Clarence from Digital Dollars Blueprint. Hi, I'm AI Clarence, ready to create something amazing together.
Step 3. Bringing the avatar to life with Verbo. Verbo, animation made easy. Here's where the magic happens, making the avatar talk. Verbo uses AI to animate your character and sync its lip movements to your script. I uploaded my avatar, pasted the script from ChatGPT, and let Verbo do its thing. Verbo is amazing because it analyzes the text and matches lip movements with incredible accuracy. Pro tip: experiment with the voice options to find the perfect match. I used a Serena voice created with Verbo for extra realism. Don't rush this step. A good voice can make or break the connection with your audience. Trust me, a well-crafted voice makes all the difference. Talking avatars? Check.
I created me, AI Clarence, a talking avatar that's the voice and face of my faceless YouTube channel.
Let's keep going. Step 4. Editing and enhancing with Capcut. Once Verbo generated the talking animation, it was time to polish the video in Capcut. This is where you can trim, split adjust timing, and add effects to make the content pop. Capcut also has built-in AI tools for auto-captioning, which saves so much time. I added some fun transitions and synced the background music to make the video more dynamic. See how smooth that looks? Capcut is a game changer for video editing. Once you've added your finishing touches, Export the final video, and there it is. You have your very own talking avatar ready to take center stage. Step 5. Creating the thumbnail with Canva. Finally, no YouTube video is complete without a killer thumbnail. Canva is my go-to tool for this. I upload my avatar image and choose bold fonts and eye-catching colors. The goal is to make viewers curious enough to click. A thumbnail isn't just an image, it's a promise of value. Simple, striking, and on brand. Exactly what I need. And there you have it. In just 5 steps, I've created a talking avatar for my faceless YouTube channel. Talking avatar video ready to upload. Part 3. Why talking avatars work. Talking avatars like AI Clarins are perfect for faceless channels because they 1. Build a unique brand identity. 2. Keep viewers engaged with visual and verbal cues. 3. Allow you to scale your content without being on camera. Plus, they're just plain fun. Who wouldn't want a virtual co-host? Part 4. Tips for creating your own avatar. Before you dive in, here are some quick tips. 1. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate the design or script. 2. Focus on personality. Your avatar should reflect your channel's vibe. 3. Test and tweak. Always preview your avatar before finalizing. 4. Engage your audience. Use captions, animations, and call to actions to make the video interactive.
And that's it. Using ChatGPT, Ideogram, Verbo, Capcut, and Canva, I created AI Clarins, a talking avatar that represents my channel and connects with my audience. With these tools, you can do the same. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Let's keep creating amazing content together.